Working on game development and encountered a TPG file with sprite assets? This is a sprite sheet project from a popular game art optimization tool. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to use these TexturePacker Sprite sheet files. The final, quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single TPG file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. TPG files are sprite sheet project files used by TexturePacker, a tool for game developers to combine multiple sprite images into optimized texture atlases. They store project settings, source image references, packing parameters, and output configurations used to generate sprite sheets for game engines. TPG files use TexturePacker's project format, storing references to source images, packing algorithm settings, output, texture format, specifications, data export formats, and trim padding parameters. The format defines complete project state, enabling consistent sprite sheet regeneration as source assets change during game development. Code and Web define TexturePacker as the main handler for TPG files. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows can view static components, but style, layers, and effects need full editors. Let's make this simple. Right-click the TPG file and hit Open With. If TexturePacker is on your machine, test it immediately. If not, choose another program. It's a matter of finding the right decoder. If you still cannot open your TPG file, that is okay. Since the initial attempt failed, the issue is now narrowed to 3 key areas. Here's a simple list of the most frequent errors and how you can verify each one immediately. First, opening in TexturePacker. Download and install TexturePacker from the Code and Web website. Launch the application, use File, then Open, and select the TPG file. The project loads with all source sprites visible in the canvas, along with current packing settings, allowing you to publish updated sprite sheets or modify project parameters. Next, publishing sprite sheets. In TexturePacker, with the TPG project open, click Publish Sprite Sheet to generate the output texture atlas and data file. Configure output formats for popular game engines like Unity Cocos 2D X Phaser or Godot. The published files include the packed PNG image and corresponding metadata file describing sprite locations. Finally, integrating with game engines. Import the published sprite sheet from your TPG project into your game engine using the appropriate plugin or import workflow. Most engines support TexturePacker output formats natively or through community plugins. The atlas reduces draw calls and improves performance compared to using individual sprite images at runtime. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend File Magic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.